Hi guys, it's Tim from Advanced In-Car Technologies, and today we have been working on this VW Transporter T6. Now, for all of the T6 owners out there that have digital radio will know the pain and the struggle of having pretty poor digital radio signal. So quite a common retrofit or upgrade that we do to a lot of these vehicles is fitting our Sharkfin or our signature Sharkfin antenna. So it either comes as a DAB FM or a DAB FM GPS antenna. So on this vehicle, we've just gone for DAB and FM because the vehicle itself has a composition colour in it, which means it can't offer navigation. So we've gone for DAB and FM. Now, I'll just quickly come down and I'm just going to show you the antenna. So this is it here. Hopefully you can see it. It's about as big as my hand, and these are the connections that it offers you. This is the GPS version because I don't have a DAB FM one to hand, but it's exactly the same antenna, and it's a really nice rubberized type antenna. Looks good once installed, and it has this nice sort of skirt lip. And so when it pulls down, it creates a lovely seal with the vehicle. But we always recommend using some silicone-based sealant just to give it that extra waterproofness. Now, just to give you a bit more insight, these antennas actually increase the digital radio and the FM signal by about 20 decibels, which is a massive, massive improvement over the standard Volkswagen one that's normally in the wing mirrors of the T6s. So the reason we've done this video is just to show you about this antenna and how it gets installed in terms of what my engineers do. So as you can probably just see it there, this is the underhang of the antenna just here. I'll put it up just for a bit of comparison. So this gets all properly, the roof gets drilled, it then get the paintwork or the metal work gets treated to prevent any sort of rust or water ingress, and then we've used this special nut system to bolt up, and you see these prongs here. That then creates the chassis or the ground plane to give you almost an antenna on your roof. Well, it is literally an antenna on your roof. And then Richard, to keep it as OEM as possible, has then cloth taped all of the wiring and has then taken it away with the lighting circuit that's going off, and then it's heading down towards the front of the vehicle. Seeing as the vehicle was having these speakers installed at the same time and this roof panel was out, I thought I'd just quickly show you the bit that you don't really see, and the antenna as it is before it's installed and also on the vehicle. So I'll just jump up here again, and there it is. It looks really good. Obviously, if you've got a pop top, you can't fit this type of antenna. It is literally for the normal combis, the panel vans, etc, etc. But if you've got a VW T5, T6, or any vehicle really that has got pretty poor FM or DAB signal or even GPS signal, then this is the antenna for you. They're on our website. I'll drop in and you'll probably see on the link that pops up in a second and at the beginning of this video of where you can buy it on our website. We've tried a lot of antennas, and this is probably one of the best Sharkfin or indeed antennas that we've ever fitted. So if you want this installed, or even if you just want the kit, get in touch with us, www.advanced-incar.co.uk. And as always, thanks for watching.